To fix MS Gaming Overlay link error on Windows 11, click in Search, type regedit, select Open, click on Yes. Here you have to be in this location. I have mentioned this location in the description. From there, you can copy paste in here in this address bar. Once you'll be in this location, you have to find App Capture Enabled. If you'll find it, simply click on it, double click on it and change the value data to 0. If you can't see that in here, simply right click, take your cursor on New, select dword32 value, add the name here, App Capture Enabled. Make sure to use the uppercase letter as same as showing on the screen, then double click on it and change the value data to 0. Click on OK. After this, you have to be GameConfigStore. Simply copy paste in here from the description and press enter. On the right side, you need to find GameDVR enabled. Simply double click on it, change the value data to 0, then click on OK. If you don't have this entry, then right click on it, take your cursor on New, select dword32 value and add the name in here. Then change the value data to 0. Afterward, click on Start and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.